Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Shanad Visweswara College of Science. This video is from Mathematics Department, and I am your Mathematics lecturer Jagdisham. As you know, guys, we started your BSc 5th SCC paper, Fourier series and Fourier transformation. In last class, we discussed about your Euler's formula. According to that formula is f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Okay, so this is our Euler's formula, and according to that we have another three formulas, that is a naught, an and bn formula. And a naught formula is 1 by pi, okay, 1 by pi integration over c to c plus 2 pi. Okay, what we have that upper term and lower term, and f of x into dx. This is a naught. Then an value is 1 by pi integration of c to c plus 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. Okay, and the bn formula is same, that is 1 by pi integration over c to c plus 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, so this is our Euler's formula. It is we have to find here a naught, an and bn. Now the next term is, that is instead of writing 2 pi, we will take it here as 2l. Pi means our degrees and l means our length values. Okay, the Fourier series of period 2l, that is arbitrary period. Let f of x be defined on an interval of length other than 2 pi, say 2l. Okay, 2 pi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಪೈ 2 ಪೈ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0 ಟು ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಪೈ ಟು 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಟು ಪೈ ಅಂತ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು 2 ಪೈ ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 0 ಟು 2 ಆರ್ 1 ಟು 2 ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2, ಈ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು 2l ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that is here we'll take it as, that is sin pi x by l, similar as cos pi x by l. Okay, and up to nth term, summation of nth term, we will take it here as summation of an into cos n pi x. Okay, n pi x by l, similar as bn, summation bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, so here we have our arbitrary 2l period function, that is f of x is equals to a naught by 2 summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, and similar values, nothing changes. A naught, an and bn value here, a naught value is same 1 by l, and there we have 1 by pi, and here we will take 1 by l integration over c to c plus 2 pi. Okay, and f of x dx as it is. This is our a naught formula. Similar as an formula, 1 by l. Okay, 1 by l integration over c to c plus 2l f of x into, there we use cos nx, and here we use, that is cos n pi x by l dx. Similar as bn function, that is bn is equals to 1 by l integration over c to c plus 2l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. Okay, this is our arbitrary 2l formulas. That one is Euler's formula, this is arbitrary 2l formula. Okay, when we solve the problems, whenever we get the limits in degree, then we'll take 2 pi, that is f of x into cos nx. Okay, and when we have the values, that is lengths, then we'll take, that is cos n pi x by l. Okay, so we will see one example here. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equals to e to the power minus x in 0 to 2. Okay, the x is lies between 0 to 2. That means 0 is less than x, x is less than or equal to 2 value. Okay, and our limit is 0 to 2. And in this formula we have to find L. Okay, what is exact value of L? So that we will find here the solution. The period is 2L. Yes, the period is 2L, we know that. And the period is 2L and the value of that is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಮಿ. 2L is equals to upper minus lower is equals to 2 ಬಂತು. So 2L is equals to 2, only L is equals to 1. Okay, so L value 1 ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆದೇನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ -2 to +2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಮಿ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನು 2 -2 -2 4. ಸೊ 2L is equals to 4, ಓನ್ಲಿ L is equals to 2. ಈ ರೀತಿ L ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಈಸ್ 2L ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 2 minus lower limit 0. 2 minus 0 is 2 and only L value is 1. Okay. Okay, then the Fourier series of series period 2L, and our formula is f of x is equals to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L plus summation bn sin n pi x by L. Okay, this is our formula. So using this formula we find a0, an and bn, and final answer we substitute here only. Okay, so and our f of x value is e to the power minus x. Okay, and limit is 0 to 2. Okay, so now we will write it here as and here L value is 1. Okay, L value is 1 means we directly neglect this term, divided by L. So this function we will write it as f of x is equals to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x plus bn sin n pi x. Okay, call this as equation number 1. In last we will use this formula. Next one is we have to find a0 value. A0 value is 1 by L integration over limit is 0 to 2 f of x dx. Okay, so f of x dx value we will write a0 is equals to 1 by L, means 1 by L value is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 function. Integration of 0 to 2 limit f of x is e to the power x dx. Okay, then when we integrating this term e to the power x dx is we will get e to the power minus x divided by minus 1 over the limit 0 to 2. When we apply the upper limit minus lower limit we will get e square minus 1 is equals to, see here, e square minus 1 is equals to, because lower limit is 0. Okay, 0 any to the power 0 is 1. Okay, e square minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 divided by e to the power 2. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ e square minus 1 divided by e square will get LCM ತಗೊಂಡು. So this value is a0 value. Call this as equation number 2. Then we will find an value. An value is 1 by L integration of 0 to 2 f of x cos n pi x by L. Okay, L value 1 ada, so direct neglect ಮಾಡಿ direct function ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ here. Integration over 0 to 2 f of x cos n pi x dx, and integration f of x value is e to the power minus x into cos n pi x dx. Okay, then when we integrating this term ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ, we have that formula e to the power ax cos bx. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square. Okay, into a cos bx plus b sin bx. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ, ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ a value is 1, b value is n pi value. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ e to the power minus x divided by e to the power minus x divided by a square plus b square. A square is 1 minus 1 and b square is n square plus n square pi square. Okay, n pi b value ada, so square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ n square pi square and into a cos bx. A value is minus 1, so direct right we will write minus cos n pi x plus b value is n pi into sin n pi x. Okay, ಇವಾಗ yes, next even madam, when we simplify this term, lower limit minus upper limit substitute ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ we'll get 1 divided by 1 plus n square pi square into 1 minus 1 divided by e square. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ here we have what value cos 2n pi and cos 0 value, cos 2n pi and cos 0 value 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, and similar as sin 2n pi is equals to sin 0 value 0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ. So we will get here final answer an is equals to e square minus 1 divided by e square into 1 plus n square pi square. Call this as equation number 3. Okay, next we will find bn function. Bn function is bn is equals to integration over 0 to 2 f of x sin n pi x dx. Okay, another 1 by l into integration of f of x sin n pi x by l ಅದ. ಸೊ l ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಅದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಾರ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ bn is equals to integration over 0 to 2 f of x sin n pi x dx. Okay, and f of x value is e to the power minus x. Similar as ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ e to the power ax sin bx dx ಇದ್ದಾಗ e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b sin cos bx. Okay, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ minus 1, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ n pi. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e to the power a, that is e to the power minus x minus 1x divided by a square is minus 1 square minus 1 square is 1, b square is n square pi square. And similar here, minus a value is minus 1 into sin bx, b value is n pi. So we will write here minus sin n pi x minus b term is n pi, so n pi into cos n pi x. Okay, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಮಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ 1 divided by 1 plus n square pi square into e square minus 0 minus n pi and again minus lower limit is minus 0 minus n pi. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ 2x ಫಂಕ್ಷನು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ 0 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2n pi ಕಾಸ್ 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ n pi divided by 1 plus n square pi square into 1 minus 1 divided by e square. ಸೊ LCM ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ bn is equals to n pi into e square minus 1 divided by e square into 1 plus n square pi square. Call this as equation number 4. Okay, using a naught value, an value, bn value. Okay, 2 3 4 ಇವು ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಮಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ f of x is equals to e square minus 1 divided by 2e square. This is a naught. Then summation n is equals to 1 to infinity e square minus 1 divided by e square into 1 plus n square pi square. Okay, this is an value. Next, this is bn value is here only summation n is equals to 1 to infinity n pi e square minus 1 divided by e square into 1 plus n square pi square sin n pi x. Okay, in cos n pi x, in sin n pi x. Okay, this is our required Fourier series formula. Okay, a naught value, an value, bn value find out ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ n x sin n x ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಅದು ಯು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಯು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೌಟ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾನು ಅದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.